Quick reading for March the 1st to March the 7th, Leo. Your cards are the Queen of Swords, Eight of Pentacles, and the Two of Cups. Parang napapansin dito ni person, gumaganda ka sa kanyang paningin. Not just the physique, not just the aesthetics, but more of parang napapansin niya yung pagka-independent mo, no? Parang this person doesn't need me and I am being challenged, no? Nata-challenge ako na parang um, kailanganin mo ko. Pero parang sabi dito ni person, paano ko makukuha yung attention niya? Kung hindi niya ako kailangan, kailangan gustuhin niya ako, kaya magpapakita ito ng mga efforts, no? And with that being said, especially dun sa mga singles or meron ditong um, no label situation, it felt like ito yung day na hindi pwedeng hindi ka magiging akin, or weeks rather, na hindi pwedeng hindi ka magiging akin. Kaya yung efforts ko, kailangan mapunta ito sa pagkakaroon ng relationship, no? So this is your quick reading, Leo, for March the 1st to March the 7th.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me back.